let's have a look at finding connection information with the IP tool. Remember that on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, this tool is called IP route. Here is my terminal. I used IP firewall with ADDR, short for address. With that, we get a list of our network devices and their particular information. The first one listed here, LO, is a loopback interface. We're not going to be working with that one. The second one on my screen, which depends on your setup, might be a little different, is my Ethernet device. Link Ether is the Ethernet MAC address of the device. Init here refers to the IPv4 information. Init 6 shows the IPv6 information. We see the IP address and the net mask and the broadcast address here. If you see dynamic off to the side, that it tells you that this connection is set up with DHCP rather than with predefined static information. And there is an indication of how much time is left on the lease. If you are looking for only IPv4 or IPv6 and address information, you can add -4 or -6 to the command like this. I will write IP -4 IDDR. It will exclude any adapters that don't have any IPv4 or IPv6 address respectively. The command IP is also handy for working with the device states. You can use the link argument to control whether a device is up or down. That is whether it's considered active for use or not. This can be helpful for insulating one interface for troubleshooting, for example, and of course should be used with caution on a remote system where you might cut off your own access. So let's take a quick look at that. I will clear the screen and I will run IPEDDR again. Before we change anything, take a look here at the Ethernet information again, specifically up here. At up, lower up, and state up. Up by itself is a reflection of whether the adapter is marked as available to handle data. An adapter can be up but still be unplugged. For example, lower up refers to whether the network device considers itself available to handle traffic. This is usually determined by whether the device can detect that it's connected to a network and can detect a device on the other end. Lower up corresponds with state up or state down over here. So if I were to disconnect my interface, it means effectively unplugging the cable here. We can see that the state changed. I don't have lower up here anymore, even though it's still up as far as the system concerned, and I can see the state down over here, further showing that the interface cannot communicate on the network. I also have an indication that there is no carrier because there is no way for my interface to communicate. Well, I will reconnect my network interface and I will use the IP link command to set the state of this interface to down. Well, IP link is how we will communicate with the interface, and with the set keyword I will give it the interface name and then a command. In this case I will write sudo IP link set np0s3 down, and then if I run IPEDDR again, I have a different result. The state is down and I don't have up, lower up, or no carrier because the device is effectively offline. So I will bring it back up with sudo IP link set np0s3 up. You can export your Ethernet interface with the etool command like this with interface name, and it will show you some adapter information. Alright, etool np0s3, for example, I can see the supported link mode and active speed and duplex of my Ethernet connection. There's a whole lot that etool can do, but it's more extensive than what this course covers.